All right, guys. So we've done a lot of stuff with earwax. It's when you got 3 kids in your household, you are always removing earwax. So having one of these earwax removal tool cameras is super cool. They sent us this, and I'm super excited to work with it. It has a Wi-Fi connection, 1080p HD, IP67 waterproof, which is fantastic, and 360-degree wide-angle lens. So we're going to crack this open. There's a couple different colors it comes in: black, white, blue, green, and gray. We have the black one because who doesn't want a proper-looking item? So let's go ahead and see if we can get into the box here. Now, on the notes, it does tell you on the back of it, which is really nice. You want to save the box when you are looking at it. So it's super important to save the box because it does give you all the notes on the back as far as the usage of it. So you want to make sure you do that. A couple things on here that I noticed was you don't want to charge the product continuously for more than 1.5 hours. So it's not something you're going to just leave in all the time. You definitely don't want to use it on kids under 6 years old. And, just something you've got to make sure that you are staying safe with. So in the product itself, let's go ahead and see what we're working with here. So we do have a guide on how to actually use it. So our manual telling you everything about it. So you have the ear pick, the charging port on the bottom, notes, operating skills, and it shows you how to do it all. So man, this is a ton in here. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Here is the unit itself. So I am mad curious as to this. You have your charge port on the bottom. You have, I believe this is the button to turn it on till you get light, and we can see. And I'm curious. Now we're gonna make this happen. We are absolutely going to be using this on the fly here. Let's see if we can get into the app and see what we are working with here. So we got to connect this unit. There is something to scan on here, and we're going to make that happen. Guys, this is the earwax removal tool. We definitely got to check it out.